Well, still working on the Avalanche. I got the new wheels and tires put on. Very nice set of treads on those. As you can see, they fit well. Picked up an engine cover. Got that for free. Still working on getting a bumper. But overall, she's coming along. Got the window up. Haven't figured out what's stopping the power yet. I got to take the front door panel off. Oh, I bypassed the lock. I guess the alarm works. Okay, got that figured out. Have to do something with this seat. I'm not sure what I'm going to do with it yet. Got the command start working. It was just turned off into features on the dash. So it actually starts up now by command start. Gonna have to work on that exhaust. Seems to be getting louder. But just a little update. Talk to you guys later.